Good morning, students. Welcome to today's e-learning class of social science. Today, I'll teach you lesson 7, the land of snow. Children, the area between the Arctic Circle and the North Pole and the Antarctic Circle to South Pole is known as the polar region. This region lies in the frigid zone. Let us read about Greenland, an island situated in this region. In this chapter, we will cover various features of Greenland like location of the Greenland, land, climate, vegetation, and wildlife of Greenland, occupation, people of the Greenland, and cities. In today's session, we will cover first three topics: location of the Greenland, land and climate, vegetation, and wildlife. Let's start. What is Greenland? Greenland, the world's largest island, is situated near the North Pole. It is a part of Denmark. Due to its location, this country remains under snow and ice throughout the year. Eric the Red was the first European who visited Greenland and gave its name. The original inhabitants of Greenland are called Inuits. Children, नॉर्थ पोल के नज़दीक होने की वजह से ग्रीनलैंड में पूरा वर्ष बर्फ़ जमी रहती है एंड मोर देन 80% ऑफ लैंड इज़ कवर्ड विथ स्नो. यहाँ पर जो लोग रहते हैं उन्हें इन्यूट्स कहते हैं. लेट्स मूव ऑन नेक्स्ट अनदर टॉपिक, लोकेशन ऑफ द ग्रीनलैंड. Children, to understand the location of Greenland, look at the map. Greenland is the world's largest island and it is separated from the northern islands of Canada by the Baffin Bay and Davis Strait. Greenland shares its borders with Atlantic Ocean in the southeast and the Greenland Sea in the east, Arctic Ocean in the north and Baffin Bay in the west, and the Arctic Circle passes through the southern part of the country. And people call their country Kalalit Nunath, which means land of the people, and Nuuk is the capital of the Greenland. I hope children you must have understood location of the Greenland. Children, our next topic is land and climate of Greenland. Greenland covers an area of about 21.5 lakh square kilometers. More than 80% of the land is under permanently snow and ice. Sometimes huge pieces of ice often break away from the ice sheets and slide down into the sea. These are called icebergs. About 90% of an iceberg is always underwater. Icebergs are very dangerous for ships that sail in this region. Children, icebergs बहुत dangerous होते हैं. क्यों? थिक फॉग की वजह से वो ships को नज़र नहीं आते. That's why icebergs are very dangerous for ships. Now, let's talk about the climate of Greenland. Greenland has an Arctic type of climate, means extremely cold climate. Here, the winters are long and cold. The sun doesn't rise for several weeks. कई हफ्तों तक sun दिखाई नहीं देता. In winters, the temperature remains below the freezing point. Here, summers are short and cool. The weather is bright and sunny in the coastal areas. The sun doesn't set even at midnight in summer. That's why this country is called the land of midnight sun. Let us discuss about vegetation of Greenland. You know, it's pretty cold as we discussed in the climate. Nothing grown in ice-covered areas of Greenland. There is no forest, no crops can be grown. Some plants like mosses, lichens, grasses and bushes grow in summer season. Some flowers bloom in spring season. चिल्ड्रन ज़्यादा ठंड होने की वजह से ग्रीनलैंड में ना तो कोई जंगल है और ना ही कोई क्रॉप्स उगाई जाती है. नाउ वी विल रीड अबाउट वाइल्ड लाइफ ऑफ ग्रीनलैंड. ओनली एनिमल्स विथ थिक फरी कोट्स और दोज विच कैन विथस्टैंड एक्सट्रीम कोल्ड कैन सर्वाइव इन ग्रीनलैंड. ग्रीनलैंड में वही एनिमल पाए जाते हैं जिनकी बॉडी पे थिक फर कोट है और ठंड को सहन कर सकें. Some of the animals found on the island include muskox, seal, whale, white-tailed eagle, polar bear, and wolf dogs called huskies are also found in Greenland. They are used for hunting and pulling sledges. In this session, we have covered location, land, climate, vegetation, and wildlife of Greenland. Let's quick recap what we have studied. First, Greenland is the largest island and lies in frigid zone in northern hemisphere. Second, 80% of Greenland is always covered with ice. Third, Inuits are the original inhabitants of Greenland. Fourth, huge pieces of ice frequently break off and float in the sea called iceberg. Fifth, nothing grows in ice covered areas of Greenland. Some plants like mosses, lichens, bushes, and grasses can be seen in summer months. Next, about wildlife, only those animals that can withstand the extreme cold are found in Greenland, like polar bear, reindeer, walrus. Wolf like dogs called huskies are also found in Greenland. They are used for hunting and pulling sledges. Children, I hope you must have understood these topics. We will continue this chapter with new features in next session. Till then, read lesson 7 thoroughly and goodbye. See you soon.